This conference will now be recorded.
Good afternoon, students. Am I audible for you? Am I audible for you? Anyone reply to chat? Yes, thanks for your response. And also the PPT is visible for you. PPT is visible for you. Yeah, thanks for your response. So last class we have started unit number 2, combinational circuits. So in that we have started with the design procedure. Okay, then we completed half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor. So these topics we completed in the lab class itself. Okay, so the same thing we are having in the theory part. So no need to repeat the same thing. So next we completed parallel binary adder, isn't it? So up to parallel binary adder we have completed in unit number 2. Okay, wow. So today's class, so today I'm going to cover parallel binary subtractor and BCD adder. Okay, so today we are going to see parallel binary subtractor, then BCD adder. Okay, so these two topics today we are going to see. Okay, for your exam, okay, exam portion வந்து unit number 1 and unit number 2 ல வந்து up to BCD adder. Okay, up to BCD adder. Please note down your test portion. Test portion வந்து unit 1 full, unit 2 ல வந்து up to BCD adder. Okay, so today we are going to see parallel binary subtractor, then we are going to see BCD adder. So hope you all noted. So all of you take down the heading. So all of you take down the heading parallel subtractor or parallel binary subtractor. So all of you take down the heading parallel subtractor, or it may be called parallel binary subtractor. So hope you are all having a DSC notebook in your hand. So all of you take down the heading parallel subtractor, or it may be called parallel binary subtractor. So both are same. Okay, both are same. So the first point, the subtraction of binary number can be done most conveniently by means of complement. Please note this point. This is very important. Okay, by means of complement. Okay, so the subtraction of binary numbers can be done. Okay, conveniently. Okay, it means user friendly. Okay, conveniently by means of complement, meaning that by using some complement technique we are going for the binary subtraction. Okay, so binary subtraction is when we are going to use a convenient method. Okay, our complement method I'm என்ன பண்ண போறோம் யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். Okay, so that is the meaning for this first paragraph. So please note down this point, by means of complement. Okay, so we are going to do parallel binary subtraction. Okay, by using this complement method. Okay, So next point வந்து remember that subtraction, okay va, subtraction as example வந்து a minus b. Consider a is your first input, okay va, b is your second input, okay va. So we want to perform a minus b, okay va. So this is nothing but, I think you all know, this is nothing but subtraction, okay va, can be done by taking 2's complement. Note this point, 2's complement of b, okay va, and adding it to a, okay va. So இப்போ வந்து we cannot do a minus b அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து பைனரியில வந்து ஓகேவா we cannot perform directly, ஓகேவா. பைனரி சப்ட்ராக்ஷன்ல வந்து a minus b அப்படிங்கிறத டைரக்டா பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ண மாட்டோம், ஓகேவா. we will take, ஓகேவா, we will take 2's complement of b. For example வந்து second variable b அப்படின்னா first variable as it is, ஓகேவா, நீங்க அப்படியே வச்சுக்கோங்க, ஓகேவா. first variable வந்து keep as it is, ஓகேவா. second variable க்கு you want to take 2's complement, ஓகேவா. here second variable is b, ஓகேவா. so you want to take 2's complement, then ஓகேவா add it, ஓகேவா. so 2's complement வந்து result add to a, ஓகேவா. so a ஓட ஆட் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா you will get the binary subtraction answer, ஓகேவா. binary subtraction answer. so என்ன ப்ரொசீஜர்னா, so you are having two binary values, ஓகேவா. it may be 4-bit or 3-bit, ஓகேவா. so a and b are your binary inputs. so ultimately வந்து you want to perform a minus b. so how we can perform, just வந்து a வந்து you just keep it is, okay, you just keep as it is, ஓகேவா. a வந்து அப்படியே வச்சுட்டு next b வந்து you want to take 2's complement, ஓகேவா. b வந்து you want to take 2's complement, then 2's complement answer வந்து you want to add with a, ஓகேவா. so this is the procedure for your binary subtraction. so hope you all noted this point, ஓகேவா. so 2's complement of b வந்த answer வந்து you want to add with a, ஓகேவா. so you will get the answer for your a minus b, ஓகேவா. okay, fine. so now we want to know what is 1's complement, what is 2's complement, everything we want to know, okay va. so first I will give you what is 1's complement, then I will explain what is 2's complement. so first வந்து 1's complement அப்படினா, so 1's complement அப்படினா, so 1's complement அப்படினா nothing but, okay va. so say example you are having 1011, this is your binary input value, you want to take 1's complement for this binary value, okay va. say example this is your binary input, okay va. so you want to perform or you want to take 1's complement for this binary value. so how we can take 1's complement? 1's complement is nothing but direct complement, okay va. so direct வந்து equivalent bit வந்து you want to take complement, okay va. say example here you are having 0, no, so அப்ப 0 1 னா 0, next வந்து you are having 1, okay va. அப்ப வந்து இது வந்து 1 ஆயிடும். so இங்க வந்து 0 இருக்கா, சரி 1 இருக்கா, then வந்து it will be your 0. so here 1 இருக்கா, so it will be 0, okay va. so direct complement, okay va. so each bit, okay va, each equivalent bit வந்து டைரக்ட்டா நீங்க என்ன பண்ணனும், you want to take complement, that is called 1's complement, okay va. so the given input is 1011, இதுக்கு 1's complement எடுத்து அப்படினா, so here 1 இருக்கா, அப்ப 0, okay va. so here 0 இருந்ததுனா 1, so இங்க 1 இருக்குது 0, so 1 இருந்ததுனா 0, so this is called 1's complement, okay va. 1's complementங்கிறது டைரக்ட்டா நீங்க என்ன பண்ணனும், you want to take complement of each binary location. so next 2's complement அப்படிங்கிறது, okay va. so 2's complement அப்படினா, so 2's complement அப்படிங்கிறது 1's complement எடுத்துட்டு you want to add 1, okay va. so 1's complement என்ன, 10 to 0100, okay va. so 0100 ஓட 1 ஆட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா, so the result, okay, the result will be 2's complement. so அப்ப என்ன ஆகும், 0101, okay va. so this is what your 2's complement result, okay va. so 2's complement அப்படிங்கிறது 1's complement find பண்ணிட்டு, okay va, least significant bit ஓட 1 ஆட் பண்ணா that will be your 2's complement, okay va. that is your 2's complement, okay va. so now you are clear. so this is what your input. Okay, 1011 அப்படிங்கிற input. You want to take ones complement. So ones complement எப்படி எடுக்கணும்? So each binary location you want to take complement. அப்படியே டைரக்டா complement எடுக்கணும். இப்போ வந்து 1011 complement எடுத்தா ஆகும் 0100. So this is what your ones complement. Okay வா? So twos complement அப்படின்னா ones complement answer இருக்கு. ones complement answer என்ன? 0100. 0100 ஓட ones complement result ஓட 1 add பண்ணா that will be your twos complement. Okay வா? That will be your twos complement. Okay வா? It's clear for you? It's clear ones complement and twos complement? Reply through chat. It's clear for you what is ones complement, what is twos complement? Reply through chat. Yeah, thanks for your response. So ones complement is nothing but given binary ke direct complement edutha. Okay va? Given binary locations direct complement edutha ones complement. Twos complement enna? Ones complement edutittu you want to add one. Okay va? Least significant bit oda one add pannina that will be your twos complement. Okay va? That will be your twos complement. Please note down this procedure. Okay va? Because you will be getting 2 more questions. Okay va? Part A la vandu you will be getting questions like find out ones complement or find out twos complement. In the mari questions varum. Okay va? So they will be giving 3-bit or 4-bit binary number and they will be asking to find out ones complement, or it may be asked to find out the twos complement. In the mari enna pannalana ungalku question kekkalam. It may be asked in 2 marks. Okay va? Okay, so next point என்ன? Next point வந்து the next point was the twos complement. I think now you all know what is twos complement. Okay, the twos complement can be obtained by taking the ones complement and adding 1 to the least significant bit pair. Okay, the same thing. Okay, when I explain, the same thing they have given in the paragraph. Okay, so twos complement can be obtained by taking ones complement. Okay, ones complement is direct complement. Okay, direct complement. 1 na 0, 0 na 1. Then you want to add 1 to the least significant bit. So this is what least significant bit. No, so you want to add 1. Okay, then you will get the result of twos complement. Ones complement find பண்ணிட்டு 1 add பண்ணனும்னா least significant bit 1 add பண்ணனும்னா that will be the result of twos complement. Okay va? So இங்க வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும்? So now the thing is we want to perform a minus b. Okay va? So here we are going for parallel subtractor or binary parallel subtractor. Nothing but we want to perform a minus b. Okay, a and b are your two binary values. You want to perform the subtraction. Okay, so a minus b. So how we can perform? Say example, we will see one example. Okay, so a and b are your input. Okay, so a வந்து என்ன பண்றேன் 0101 அப்படின ஒரு binary value கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Okay, so I am considering my a value as 0101. Okay, b value as 0010. Okay, so these are all my inputs. Okay, so 0101 அப்படினா nothing but decimal ல வந்து இதோட value வந்து 5. Okay, அதே மாதிரி பைனரியில 0010 அப்படினா decimal ல வந்து இதோட value வந்து 2. Okay, I think you all know. Okay, so binary பைனரியில வந்து 0101 அப்படினா nothing but decimal ல 5. அதே மாதிரி பைனரியில 0010 னா decimal ல வந்து 2. Okay, so we want to perform a minus b. So அப்ப என்ன ஆகும் 5 minus 2 அப்ப என்ன ஆகும் 3. Okay, so 5 minus 2 3. So we want to get the answer as 3. Okay, so how we can perform? So how we can perform in binary? So first வந்து we want a வந்து you just keep as it is. A வந்து எது டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ண வேண்டாம். ஓகேவா, a வந்து அப்படியே வச்சிட்டு ஓகேவா நெக்ஸ்ட் you go for b. ஓகே, b க்கு என்ன பண்ணனும்? We want to take ones complement. Ones complement எடுத்தா என்ன ஆகும்? So 0010 க்கு ones complement எடுத்தா டைரக்ட் காம்ப்ளிமென்ட். இந்த 0 னா 1, அதே மாதிரி 0 னா 1, 1 னா 0, ஓகேவா 0 னா 1. டைரக்ட் காம்ப்ளிமென்ட் ஆஃப் equivalent bits. Okay, wow, direct complement of equivalent bits. So now we found ones complement of b. Okay, so this is what the answer, 1101. So now we want to go for 2's complement. Okay, so 1's complement find பண்ணியாச்சு. Next we want to go for 2's complement. 2's complement is nothing but once we found out the answer for 1's complement, we want to add 1. Okay, we want to add 1 in least significant bit position. Okay, in the bit order we want to add 1. That is nothing but 2's complement. Okay, add panna the answer will be your 2's complement. So if I add 1 to the least significant bit, what will have what I will get? 1 na 0. I will get carry 1. Okay, va. Appa 1 0 add panna na I will get 1. So in the one அப்படியே வந்துரும். So அதே மாதிரி இந்த ஒண்ணும் அப்படியே வந்துரும். Okay, va. So 1101 ஓட 1 add பண்ணா I will get 1110. Okay, 1110. So this is what my 2's complement answer, and also this is what the final answer for subtraction. Okay, this is what the final answer for your subtraction. Subtraction in a minus b. Okay, a minus b oda answer da. Okay, so a minus b. So this is what the answer for your a minus b. So idoda I mean 1110. Okay, so next one the sorry, this is not your a minus b. Okay, so this is your answer for your 2's complement. Okay, so this is the answer for your 2's complement. Once 2's complement find out பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் you want to add with a. Okay, so this is what your 2's complement, 110. This is what your 2's complement answer. Now we want to add this 2's complement answer with a. Okay, this is the next step. Okay, அப்ப நாங்க a ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன? a ஓட வேல்யூ வந்து 0101. Okay, அப்ப a வேல்யூ வந்து 0101. 2's complement, b ஓட 2's complement வேல்யூ என்ன? 1110. Okay, அப்ப 1110. Now we want to add. Okay, so a value as it is, b oda value என்ன பண்ணனும்? We want to find 2's complement. Okay, 2's complement of b என்ன? 1110. So now we want to add. அப்ப என்னாகும்? 101 ஆயிரும், 01 ஆயிரும், 11 என்ன ஆயிரும்? 10 ஆகும், 11 னா 10. Okay, 0 வந்து 0 here. Okay, so the carry என்ன ஆகும்? Carry இங்க வரும். So 11 என்ன ஆகும்? Again 10. Okay, so 10 0 here, the carry இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா, remaining carry வந்து இந்த இடத்துல வந்துரும். So this 4-bit subtract. So என்ன பண்ணலாம்? இந்த 5th position வந்து we can leave it. Okay, so we can leave this 5th bit. Okay, so now we will get the answer. Okay, so now we got the answer. Answer என்ன வருது? Answer வந்து 0011. Okay, so 0011 க்கு decimal equivalent வந்து 3. Okay, decimal equivalent வந்து 3. So now we got the answer. So 5 minus 2. Okay, so the binary value என்ன? 0101 க்கு decimal value வந்து 5. 0010 க்கு வந்து decimal value வந்து 2. I think you all know. Okay, so 5 minus 2 என்ன? 3. சரியா? அப்ப வந்து 0011 கிடைக்குது. So the binary of equivalent decimal value என்ன? 3. So we got the answer. Okay, we got the answer for the binary subtraction. So now we are going to implement the same thing in circuit. Okay, we are going to implement the same thing in circuit. So circuit implement panna, what you will get? So we want to go for, we are going for 4 bits. Okay, so 4 bits for we need 4 full adders. I think we know, we studied in the full subtraction itself. Okay, so full subtraction if you want to add 4 different bits, you need 4 full adders, isn't it? So example, if you want to add this 1 and 0, you need 1 full adder, isn't it? Again, if you want to add 0 1 1, you need another one full adder. Like that, you need 4 full adders, isn't it? If you want to add 4 different binary numbers, you need 4 different full adders, isn't it? So like that, if you go for binary subtraction also, you need 4 different full adders. Okay, wow. So here a naught b naught is your input, s naught is your sum, that is your output. Okay, wow. So carry c out equal to 1. This one is nothing but you want to take complement. No, okay, wow. Complement you want to add 1. So in the one in இந்த இடத்துல வரும். ஓகேவா, c not equal to 1 அப்படிங்கிறது nothing but 2's complement, 1's complement ஓட 1 ஆட் பண்றோம்ல. So இந்த one தான் வந்து இந்த c not equal to 1. ஓகேவா. So b values எல்லாத்துக்குமே we will put one not gate. எதுக்காக அப்படின்னா we want to take complement. So இங்க complement எடுக்கிற பாத்தீங்களா, once complement எடுக்கிறோம்ல. So once complement எடுக்கிறதுக்காக we are going for this not gate. ஓகேவா. So b எல்லாத்துலயுமே வந்து you will be having not gate. A வந்து as it is. ஓகேவா, A வந்து as it is அப்படியே வந்துரும். B ல மட்டும் you will be having not gate. ஓகேவா. Then in carry, ஓகேவா, so carry ல வந்து first carry ல மட்டும், I mean c not இருக்குல்ல, first carry மட்டும் you want to put 1. so இந்த ஒன்னு இருக்காதுன்னா இந்த carry 1 ஆட் பண்றதுக்காக, ஓகே, இந்த carry 1 ஆட் பண்றோம்ல, once complement எடுத்துட்டு 1 ஆட் பண்றோம்ல. ஓகேவா. so அதுக்காக we want to put 0 equal to, I mean c not equal to 1. Okay, so binary full subtractor is very much similar to your binary uh, I mean 4-bit parallel subtractor is very much similar to your 4-bit parallel adder. Okay, what is the difference அப்படின்னா 4-bit parallel adderல வந்து here c not equal to 1 அப்படின்னு இருக்கும், பட் adderல வந்து 4-bit parallel adderல வந்து c not வந்து அங்க 0 இருக்கும். ஓகேவா. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து இந்த b0 b1 b2 b3 ல வந்து you will be having not gate. இதுல 4-bit parallel subtractorல வந்து இந்த இடத்துல not gate வரும். ஓகேவா, காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட்டுக்காக. பட் 4-bit parallel adderல வந்து not gate வராது. I mean you will be having direct connection. b0 ல வந்து direct connection இருக்கும். You won't have any not gate. ஓகேவா. so this is what the diagram of 4-bit parallel subtractor. ஓகேவா. so 4-bit parallel subtractor na என்ன you want to keep in mind, you will be having two different binary numbers. ஓகேவா. அதுல வந்து a value வந்து, I mean first value வந்து you just keep as it is. second value என்ன பண்ணணும், second value வந்து first you want to take one's complement. one's complementங்கிறது direct complement. ஓகேவா. direct bit locations வந்து complement பண்ணிட்டு then you want to add 1. ஓகேவா. so you will get 2's complement answer. ஓகேவா. so 2's complement answer கிடைச்ச உடனே so a ஓட 2's complement answer வந்து என்ன பண்ணணும், you want to add பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get the binary subtraction answer. Okay, you will get the binary subtraction answer. So this is what the implementation part. Okay, this is what the implementation part of your full 4-bit parallel subtractor. Okay, 4-bit parallel subtractor implementation diagram. So this topic may be asked in 6 marks or 7 marks explain or design 4-bit parallel subtractor or parallel subtractor or 4-bit parallel subtractor, whatever it may be. Okay, so this is only theory part. Okay, it may be asked in 4 marks or in 6 marks. Okay, so hope you all understood what is parallel subtractor or parallel binary subtractor, and also the important concept of one's complement, two's complement. Okay, and also this implementation part. So up to now it's clear for you. Quickly through chat. Up to now it's clear for you. So have you understood what is parallel subtractor? Quickly through chat. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for your response. So next we are moving into the next topic, BCD adder. Okay, this is also theory part. Okay, you will not get any problem. Okay, so BCD also theory part. Okay, it may be asked in 6 marks or 7 marks. Okay, so they will be asking like explain in detail about BCD adder or design and explain in detail about BCD adder. Okay, so like that you will be getting questions. Okay, so it is only theory part. It may be asked in 7 marks or 6 marks. Okay, so all of you take down the heading BCD adder. So all of you take down the heading BCD adder. Next topic, BCD adder. So all of you take down the heading in your notebook, BCD adder. Below that, take down the subheading. Okay, so below that, take down the subheading BCD addition. So before going to see BCD adder, first we are going to see what is BCD addition. Okay, then we can see BCD adder. Take down the subheading. Okay, BCD addition. Take down the subheading BCD addition. So BCD stands for binary coded decimal number. So take down, this is very important. BCD stands for binary coded decimal number. Okay, binary coded decimal number. BCD stands for binary coded decimal number. This is very important. Take down the full form of BCD when the binary coded decimal number. Okay, so BCD is a kind of number system. Okay, it is very similar to your binary. Okay, so binary number system when you will be having different variety of number representation. Okay, so binary number system when you are having different form of number representation. அதுல வந்து one வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா BCD, another one வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா Hexas 3, another one பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா Gray code. Okay, another one வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா 8421. Okay, so you are having different variety of number representation are available in your binary form. Okay, so binary representation you are having different variety of representation. Okay, so அதுல ஒரு type வந்து BCD. Okay, so binary number representation or digital number representation, whatever it may be. Okay, digital number representation or binary representation. Okay, so அதுல வந்து you are having different variety of number representations are available. Okay, I mean you are having different categories. Okay, அதுல வந்து ஒரு type வந்து BCD. Okay, so BCD stands for binary coded decimal number. So listen, this is very important. Okay, this is very important in your exam point of view, and also if you are going for any interview, they may be asking about what is number system and what is binary number system, what is BCD number system, what is the difference between binary and BCD. These are all very common questions. It may be asked in Viva or it may be asked in interviews. Okay, and also exam point of view ரொம்ப important. BCD adder வந்து ரொம்ப important. So first, I think we are very familiar with the decimal number system because in real time we are handling decimal number system, isn't it? Okay, so first I am going to consider a single digit decimal number. Okay, first we are going to see single digit decimal number. I think you all know the single digit decimal number will start from 0 and end with 9, isn't it? 0 to 9. This is what your single digit decimal number representation or number. Okay, fine. Now we are going to see the binary representation for the equivalent decimal number. Okay, so 0 அப்படினா 4 bit நான் represent பண்றேன். I am taking 4 bit to represent this decimal number. Okay, single bit decimal number. So 4 bit represent பண்ணா 0 வந்து binary 4 bit represent பண்ணா 0 0 0 0. Okay, you will be having 4 zeros. Okay, 0 0 0 0. So BCD பாருங்க same 0 0 0 0. Okay, so binary representation லியும் 0 0 0 தான். BCD representation லியும் 0 0 0 தான். Okay, so 1 பாருங்க 1 அப்படினா 0 0 0 1. BCD லியும் 0 0 0 1. 2 க்கு வந்து 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. Okay, so up to 9. Okay, 0 1 2 up to 9, whatever the value in binary, okay va, the same will be in BCD. Please keep in mind, okay va. BCD அப்படினாவே you want to keep in mind 0 to 9, okay va. So 0 to 9, so 0 to 9 are nothing but the same representation, okay va. I mean whatever the representation in binary form, the same will be in BCD, okay va, up to 9. I mean 0 to 9 க்கு வந்து binary என்ன representation no, the same representation in BCD, okay va. There is no change, okay, there is no change in binary and BCD up to 0 to 9, okay va. Up to 0 to 9 there is no difference between binary and BCD number representation, okay fine. Next, if I'm moving to double digit, if I'm moving to double digit number system, I mean double digit decimal number, okay va. First double digit number enna decimal la 10, I mean 10, okay va. 10 அப்படிங்கறது decimal la வந்து first double digit number. So 10 க்கு equivalent ஆன binary number representation enna 1010, okay va. So 10 க்கு equivalent ஆன binary representation வந்து 1010, okay va. Okay fine. So how we are going to represent this 10, okay va, 10 decimal value 10 in BCD அப்படினா, listen, okay va. So 10 அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து we want to write 10, okay va, 10. So separate வந்து represent பண்ணனும். So 0 அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து you want to represent with 4 bits, okay va. 0 வந்து 4 bits லயும் 1 வந்து 4 bits லயும் separate என்ன பண்ணனும், represent பண்ணனும். That is called BCD number representation, isn't it, okay va. BCD number representation அப்படிங்கிறது up to 9 வரைக்கும், okay va, up to 9 binary க்கும் BCD க்கும் there is no difference, okay va. Clear? If you are going for double digit, okay va, if you are going for double digit number representation, if you are going for double digit number representation, say example இப்போ வந்து 10 அப்படினு போறீங்க அப்படினா, so 10 க்கு binary வந்து 1010, I think you all know, okay, 10 க்கு வந்து 1010. But in BCD representation 10 எப்படி நம்ம represent பண்ணனும் அப்படினா 10, okay, 10ங்கிறது 10. So அந்த 0 க்கு வந்து you want to separate வந்து you want to represent with 4 bits, okay va. 0 வந்து 4 bits represent பண்ணா 000. So 1 வந்து என்ன பண்ணனும், you are having another one term 1. So 1 வந்து separated வந்து 4 bits represent பண்ணனும். So 1 வந்து 4 bits represent பண்ணா 0001, okay va. Otherwise we can write 0000 இந்த 4 zeros, அப்ப இந்த 1 இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா, இந்த 1 மட்டும் எடுத்துட்டு we can leave this 3 values, okay va. இந்த 3 zeros we can omit, okay va. So 1 நீங்க இப்படி represent பண்ணலாம், otherwise you can இந்த மாதிரி represent பண்ணலாம், both are similar, okay va. Now it's clear for you. So what is the difference between binary and BCD, okay va. So up to 9 there is no difference between binary and BCD. If the value, okay, if the decimal value exceeds from single digit, it means that the decimal value goes to double digit, okay va. How we want to represent in BCD, okay va, we want to represent separate, okay, we want to represent in separate. I mean 0 வந்து 4 bitலயும் 1 வந்து 4 bit represent பண்ணனும். This is what your BCD number representation, okay. So now we are going to see the one example. Now we are going to see one example, okay fine. Now example 12, consider decimal value 12, okay va. So decimal value 12 அப்படினா it is double digit, okay va. So binary value for the decimal number 12 is 110. This is what your binary value. So how we are going to represent in BCD represent பண்ணுவோம் 12, I mean double digit ல வந்துச்சு அப்படினா, so 12 அப்படிங்கிறது 1 2, okay va. So 2 வந்து என்ன பண்ணனும், we want to separate வந்து we want to represent in 4 bit. அதே மாதிரி இந்த 1 வந்து we want to represent in 4 bits, okay va. So 2 க்கு equivalent ஆன binary value என்ன 0010, okay va. 2 க்கு equivalent binary value வந்து 0010. 1 க்கு equivalent ஆன binary value வந்து 0001, okay. 1 க்கு equivalent ஆன binary value வந்து 0001. So this is how we want to represent BCD values when the decimal number exceeds single digit, ஓகேவா மீனிங் தட் இந்த டெசிமல் வேல்யூஸ் வந்து டபுள் டிஜிட்ல வந்துச்சுன்னா ஓகேவா பிசிடி வேல்யூஸ் வந்து எப்படி ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ணணும்னா செப்பரேட்டடா ஓகேவா செப்பரேட்டா அந்த நம்பர் வந்து டிவைட் பண்ணிடும் செப்பரேட்டா ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ணணும் ஸோ 2 செப்பரேட் ஆகும் 1 செப்பரேட் ஆகும் பைனரியில ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ணினா தட் இஸ் கால்டு பிசிடி ஃபார்ம் பைனரி கோடட் டெசிமல் ஃபார்ம் ஓகேவா fine. So I think you all know, I think you all studied maybe in your school days or it may be in plus one plus two in computer science, maybe studied how to convert decimal value into binary. Okay, so decimal to binary to convert பண்றது you might be studied, isn't it? I think hope you all know. Suppose I'm converting 12. So 12 அப்படிங்கிற decimal வந்து நான் binary convert பண்ணனும்னா L division, isn't it? I think you all studied. Okay, so 2 போட்டோம்னா so you will get 6. Okay, so 6 term 6 into 2 and 12 varo. So the remaining one is 0. So next we are going for again. So 2 putting 3 into 2 and 6 agum. So remaining one 0. So the remaining value is 0. If you go for further, okay, so 2 putting now go 1 into 2 and 2 remaining one 1. Okay, remaining one. I think you all studied in your maths. Okay, so how you want to represent in this direction you want to take, isn't it? So penagum and value வந்து 1 1 0 0, isn't it? Okay, so this is what the binary equivalent for the decimal number 12. This is how you might be studied in your school days, isn't it? Same thing. Okay, so you can perform in this way. Otherwise, you are having another one easy method to convert your decimal number into binary. Okay, first you just write 8421. Okay, first you write 8421. The decimal number 12. Okay, you want to convert this decimal number 12 into binary. So yeah, just you just add 8. Then if you add 8 and 4, you will get 12, isn't it? If you add 8 and 4, you will get 12. Then just on the 8 க்கு நேரா ஒரு 1 போட்டுட்டீங்க 4 க்கு நேரா 1 போட்டுட்டு ஓகேவா ரிமைனிங் வந்து you want to put 0. ஓகேவா so remaining வந்து you want to put 0. so now you got the answer. ஓகேவா so 12 க்கு ஈக்குவலன்ட் பைனரி என்ன 110. சிம்பிளா வந்து நீங்க எப்படி இத ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணலாம்னா 8421 போட முடியுமா you can easily find out. ஓகேவா so 8421 ல decimal value என்ன 12. ஓகேவா so 12 அப்படினா 8 யும் 4 ஆட் பண்ணா you will get 12, isn't it? அப்ப வந்து என்ன பண்ணனும் 8 க்கு 1 4 க்கு 1 போட்டுட்டு 2 க்கு 1 க்கு என்ன பண்ணனும் 0 போடணும். so now you got easily got the binary value. ஓகேவா so example 10 பாருங்க so 10 அப்படினா nothing but 8 யும் 2 யும் ஆட் பண்ணா 10 கிடைக்கும், isn't it? 8 யும் 2 யும் ஆட் பண்ணா 10 கிடைக்குமா? அப்ப 8 க்கு நேரா 1 4 க்கு நேரா 0 2 க்கு நேரா 1 1 க்கு நேரா 0. now you got the binary value. Okay, now you got the binary value for the decimal number. So like that you can find any binary number for the given decimal by using this 8421 method. Okay, by using this 8421 method. Okay, up to now it's clear for you what is BCD number, what is BCD number representation. Okay, up to now it's clear for you. Reply through chat. Dear students, up to now it's clear for you the BCD number representation. What is BCD? What is BCD number representation? Everything? Yeah. Okay. Next we are going for BCD addition. Okay, so now we completed BCD number representation. Now we are going for BCD addition. First you want to know the rule. Okay, first you want to know the rule for BCD addition. Okay, so first take a heading BCD addition take the heading BCD addition. Okay, so note down this rule. Okay, note down this rule in your notebook. Note down this rule in your notebook. This is very important. Okay, BCD addition rule. BCD addition rule. Sum of two 4-bit binary addition. Okay, sum of two 4-bit binary addition is greater than 9. Okay, or carry is 1. Add 0 1 1 0 in the sum. This is what the rule of binary addition. I mean BCD addition. Okay, this is what the rule of BCD addition. So all of you please note down this rule in your notebook. This is very important. BCD addition போட்டு below that BCD addition rule அப்படின்னு போட்டுட்டு ஓகேவா note down this point. Sum of two 4-bit binary addition is greater than 9. Okay, is greater than 9 or carry is 1. Add 0, 1, 1, 0 in the sum. Okay, this is what the rule. It is very simple. Okay, I just explain in a simple way. So you are having two, say example, consider you are having two binary values. Okay, you are having two 4-bit binary number. Okay, you want to add. Okay, add பண்ணும்போது sum வந்து less than 9 இருந்ததுன்னா no problem. In BCD addition ல consider ரெண்டு binary numbers வந்து add பண்றீங்க. Okay, 4-bit binary numbers add பண்றீங்க. add பண்ணும்போது what you will get sum கிடைக்கும். Okay, sum வந்து less than 9 வந்ததுன்னா no problem, leave it. Okay, leave it. That is valid BCD addition. Suppose if you are getting some value greater than 9, okay, some value greater than 9 வந்துச்சுன்னா what you want to do? You want to add 0, 1, 1, 0 to the sum value. Okay, ரெண்டு BCD ரெண்டு binary number add பண்ணும்போது sum value வந்து ஓகேவா greater than 9 வந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? sum ஓட ஓகே வந்து ஆன்சர் ஓட you want to add 0, 1, 1, 0 add பண்ணணும். add பண்ணா தான் வந்து that is valid BCD addition. ஓகேவா அதர்வைஸ் கேரி வந்ததுனாலும் சரி நீங்க ரெண்டு நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணும்போது ஃபைனலா வந்து ரெண்டு ஐ மீன் 2 4-bit நம்பர்ஸ் ஆட் பண்ணும்போது you will get 4-bit sum. ஓகேவா carry bit generate ஆனாலும் you want to add 0, 1, 1, 0 in the sum section. ஓகேவா then only it will be the valid BCD addition. Okay, we will see some example, then you will get a better understanding. First take them this example. Okay, 2 plus 3. Okay, so 2 plus 3 enna 5. Decimal la vandu 2 plus 3 appadina 5. Okay, so we are going to add 2 plus 3. சரியா 2 க்கு equivalent binary என்ன 0, 0, 1, 0. 3 க்கு equivalent binary என்ன 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, if you add these two value, what you will get? 0, 1 add பண்ணா 1, 1, 1 add பண்ணா 1, 0. So 0 இங்க வந்துரும், carry இங்க வரும். Okay, so அப்ப carry 1 அப்ப values 0, 0 இருக்கனால you will get 1. So 0, 0 add பண்ணா you will get 0. So what you get? 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so what is this decimal equivalent என்ன 5. Okay, fine. So now you are getting some value. Some value என்ன வருது? Some value வந்து less than 9. Okay, some value வந்து less than 9 வந்துச்சுன்னா so you just leave it. This is valid BCD number. Okay, this is valid BCD number. We just leave it. No problem. Okay, so next அடுத்த example consider பண்ணுங்க. Next example வந்து 8 plus 4. Okay, so decimal ல வந்து I want to add 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 என்ன 12. Okay, so 8 க்கு equivalent binary number என்ன 1, 0, 0, 0. 4 க்கு equivalent binary number என்ன 0, 1, 0, 0. If we add these two binary values, what you will get? 0, 0 to 0, 0, 0 to 0, 0, 1 க்கு என்ன ஆகும் 1 வரும், 1 க்கு 0 ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா 1 வரும். அப்ப 1, 1, 0, 0. So இது என்ன ஆகுது 1, 1, 0, 0 னா equivalent decimal value என்ன 12. Okay, equivalent decimal value வந்து 12. So meaning that greater than 9 வருது. Some value வந்து greater than 9 வருது. Greater than 9 வந்தா என்ன இங்க இருக்கு பாரு. I mean invalid BCD number. If the sum is greater than 9, then it is invalid BCD number. So we want to make this invalid BCD number into valid BCD number. We want to make this invalid BCD number into valid BCD number. For that we want to add 6. We want to add 6. 6 na 0, 1, 1, 0. So decimal 6 அப்படினா binary வந்து 0, 1, 1, 0. So we want to add 0, 1, 1, 0 to the sum value. அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? You will get 0, 0, 0 ஆயிரும், 0, 1 வந்து 1 ஆகும், 1, 1 வந்து 1, 0 னா 0. Again you will get 1 here. Okay, so 1, 1, 1, 0. So finally வந்து you will get the carry. Okay, you will get carry. சரியா? So அப்ப what you will get 0, 1, 0, 0, then வந்து carry 1. Okay, ஸோ இது வந்து greater than 9 இருக்கிறதுனால வர ஆன்சரை நம்ம எப்படி பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னா இந்த 4 பிட்ஸை வந்து ஒரு குரூப்பாகவும் இந்த லாஸ்ட் இந்த செகண்டை வந்து ஒரு குரூப்பாகவும் பார்க்கணும். ஸோ 0 1 0 0 வந்து டெசிமல்ல பார்த்தோம்னா it will be 2. ஸோ 1 வந்து டெசிமல்ல வந்து டெசிமல்ல பார்த்தா it will be 1. ஸோ the answer வந்து என்ன ஆகுது 1 2 12. ஸோ we found the answer. Okay, we got the answer. We got the answer for this BCD addition. Okay, wow. So hope you all understood. Okay, so BCD addition is nothing but so you are having two. For example, in this example, you are having two binary values. If you are adding two binary values, you will get the sum value. Okay, if the sum value is less than 9, no problem. You just leave it. Okay, wow. If the sum value is less than 9, appadina, no problem. That is valid BCD number. So in another case, if you are adding two binary values, okay, the sum value is greater than 9. Okay, if the sum value is greater than 9, this is invalid BCD number. We want to make this invalid BCD number into valid. We want to add 0 1 1 0 0. Okay, and the sum order enna pannum vanda sum order we want to add 0 1 1 0. Okay, add pannanagum it will convert. If you add, it will be converted into valid BCD number. Okay, it will convert it into valid BCD number. Okay, it's clear. Reply through chat. It's clear for you. What is BCD addition? Reply through chat. It's clear for you. Yeah, thanks for your response. So simple சொன்னோம்னா ரெண்டு பைனரி நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணும்போது சம் வந்து less than 9 வந்துச்சுன்னா no problem, it is valid BCD number. சம் வேல்யூ வந்து ரெண்டு BCD நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணும்போது சம் வேல்யூ வந்து greater than 9 வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா சம்மோட என்ன பண்ணணும் 0 1 1 0 ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா, ஆட் பண்ணாதான் it will converted into valid BCD number. ஓகேவா, just keep in mind sum value வந்து less than 9 no problem. Sum value வந்து greater than 9 வந்துச்சுன்னா we want to add 0 1 1 0. So இந்த 0 1 1 0 எதுக்கு ஆட் பண்றோம்னா to make this invalid BCD number into valid BCD number. ஓகேவா, this is what BCD addition. So this is what the implementation part. Okay, this is what the implementation part of BCD addition. So this is what the truth table. So truth table just to keep in mind. So you are having sum value and the input S0, S1, S2, S3. Okay, these are all your sum. Okay, and the binary add பண்ணும்போது you will get S0, S1, S2, S3. This is what your input. Output வந்து y எடுத்துக்கிறேன். Okay, so up to 9. Okay, up to 9 output வந்து 0. Okay, so 9 க்கு அப்புறம் ஓகேவா 9 க்கு அப்புறம் ரிமைனிங் எல்லாமே வந்து 1. ஓகேவா, so please keep in mind. ஓகேவா, so 0 ல இருந்து 9 வரைக்கும் 0 ல இருந்து 9 வரைக்கும் ஓகேவா you will the output is 0. so 9 ல இருந்து remaining ஓகேவா remaining all the cases ஓகேவா the output is 1. okay, so keep in mind. so in the truth table க்கு வந்து you want to go for K-map simplification. So K-map simplification போனீங்க அப்படின்னா you will get the binary expression வந்து என்னன்னா y equal to s3 s2 plus s3 s1. ஓகேவா, if you convert ஓகேவா if you draw K-map for this truth table ஓகேவா you will get two groups. ஓகேவா, ரெண்டு குரூப் வரும். ஓகேவா, ஒரு குரூப் வந்து s3 s2, another group வந்து s3 s1. so the output வந்து என்னன்னா capital Y equal to s3 s2 plus s3 s1. okay, this is what the algebraic expression of this K-map, the Boolean expression for this K-map simplification. இந்த K-map எப்படி வந்து ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும்னா easily you can keep in mind. so 4-bit representation. ஓகேவா, இதுல வந்து 0 to 9 வரைக்கும் output வந்து 0. ஓகேவா, so 9 ல இருந்து remaining casesக்கு வந்து output 1. ஓகேவா, you just keep in mind 0 to 9 க்கு ஓகேவா 0 to 9 வரைக்கும் output வந்து 0. ஓகேவா, 0 ல இருந்து remaining cases எல்லாமே வந்து output 1. ஓகேவா, so you just draw this 4 variable Karnaugh map. ஓகேவா, you will get two groups. first group வந்து s3 s2, another group வந்து s3 s1. ஓகேவா, so this is what the implementation. ஓகேவா, this is what the implementation of 4-bit BCD adder. ஓகேவா, 4-bit BCD adder. so here if you want to implement 4-bit BCD adder, you need 4-bit binary adders. Okay, and binary adder வேணும். Okay, so here the first binary adder la பாருங்க A0, A1, A2, A3, B0, B1, B2, B3 are your input. Cin also your carry input. Okay, so once if you add these two values, you will get sum S0, S1, S2, S3. Okay, if the sum value, okay, if the sum value வந்து less than 9 ஆகுதுன்னா no problem. Okay, less than 9 ஆகுதுன்னா no problem. If it is greater than 9 அப்படின்னா you want to add 0 1 1 0. Okay, you want to add 0 1 1 0 to S0, S1, S2, S3. Isn't it? That is the concept. Correct? Some value is less than 9 no problem. Greater than 9 you want to add 0 1 1 0. Okay, okay, இப்போ some value வந்து less than 9 greater than 9 find out பண்றதுக்காக தான் we are going for this digital logic circuit. Okay, we are going for this digital logic circuit. I mean some value வந்து less than 9 இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா the output வந்து இந்த இடத்துல வந்து 0 ன்னு வரும். ஓகேவா? if the sum value is greater than 9 வந்து அப்படின்னா இந்த இடத்துல வந்து sum value வந்து 1 வரும். ஓகேவா? I mean இந்த output targeted output வந்து 1 வரும். ஓகேவா? so you just keep in mind S0, S1, S2, S3 are your sum value. If it is less than 9, no issue. If it is greater than 9, okay, you want to add the sum value with 0 1 1 0. Okay, without add பண்ணலாம். In the logic circuit எதுக்காக அப்படின்னா if the sum value is less than 9 or greater than 9. Okay, to find out whether the sum value is less than 9 or greater than 9, we are using this logic circuit. Okay, we are using this logic circuit. So this logic circuit is implemented by this expression y equal to S3 S2 plus S3 S1. Okay, so this is what the implementation of your BCD adder. So hope you all understood BCD adder. So up to now it's clear for you, BCD adder. It's clear for you, BCD adder. Yeah, fine. So we are having test portion up to BCD adder. Okay, so up to BCD adder. So I think we come to end of today's class. So we completed up to BCD adder. So the remaining topics we will continue in the next class. Okay, multiplexer, demultiplexer, code conversion. Okay, so those topics we will continue in the next class. Okay, so I think only 3 students completed the assignment. I don't know the others not yet submitted. All of you try to submit the assignments. Okay, because the similar problems exam la கேட்டிருக்கு. Okay, so try to submit the assignment problems. அப்பதான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸாம் வந்து ரொம்ப ஈஸியா இருக்கும். So part A la வந்து you may get questions like what is De Morgan's law, or they will give some expression, they will ask you to minimize. Okay, what is combinational circuits, then வந்து they will give some problem, they will be asking to convert into standard POS form and standard SOP form, and they will be asking to draw half adder diagram, or they will be asking to write the truth table for full adder. Okay, and they will be giving small problems based on 2 variable or 3 variable Karnaugh map, and they will be asking to minimize by using K-map. Okay, so and they will be asking some De Morgan's like sorry, they will be asking some theorems like De Morgan's law, associative law. Okay, so like that they will be asking part A. So part B வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா important exam okay, so K-graph வந்து you may get questions from K-map. K-map ல வந்து obviously வந்து POS form ல இருந்தோ you may get 1 or 2 questions from K-map. Okay, they will give expression and they will ask you to minimize this Boolean expression by using K-map based on SOP and POS. Okay, so maybe you will get 114 mark question from K-map. Then we will get questions from Kuhn-Mikkelsey method. Okay, wow. So 114 mark question you will get from Kuhn-Mikkelsey method. Okay, wow. So I think I completed one question in your class time, and also I gave you one homework problem. Okay, you just try to solve those two problems. You might get any one question from that. Okay, wow. 14 mark question. Then in unit 2, you may get questions like implement full adder or implement full subtractor. Okay, and also explain in detail about BCD adder or 4-bit parallel adder. Okay, so like that you will get questions from unit number 2. Okay, so in unit number 2, it's only theory part. You may not get any problems. Okay, just they will ask you to they will ask you to design and explain. Okay, design and explain of full adder, half adder, BCD adder, or parallel adder or parallel subtractor. Okay, you will get only theory questions in unit number 2. In unit number 1, it is very important K-map based on SOP and POS, and also Kuhn-Mikkelsey method. Okay, Kuhn-Mikkelsey method of minimization of problems. And in 14 mark questions, they will ask you to implement. Okay, once you completed the K-map, you want to implement the K-map result in logic gates. That is very much important. Okay, so thank you all. Thank you for joining. So the rest of the topics we will continue in the next class. You can leave now.